Bob the Gerbil. My name is Jared, and I've been begging my mom for an eternity for a pet gerbil. After promising to keep my room clean, she finally caved in. We went to the pet store, and I picked out the cutest little gerbil. He looked like a Bob, so that's what I named him. When we arrived home, I took Bob straight to my room to play. It took me a few minutes to find a toy for Bob in my disastrous closet, and when I turned around, he was gone. I was panicking. I looked everywhere, even under my bed. He seemed to be nowhere in the room. I went into the living room and sat on the couch. I thought, if I were a gerbil, where would I be? I knew. Bob really liked carrots. I came up with a plan. I would set a bunch of carrots in the middle of the room to lure Bob out of hiding. I snuck some carrots so my mom wouldn't ask questions. I laid some carrots in the middle of my room, hoping that Bob would sniff them out. I only had to wait 1 minute, and he had poked his little head right out from under the bed. I laughed. I didn't even see him under the bed the first time I looked. I guess my mom was right. I do need to keep my room more tidy.